Hey folks, so in this video I will guide you through how to remove SSH key from WSL or Linux operating system. So there are two ways to do this. First method is go directly to SSH folder and delete the keys. Let me show you how to do that. What you want to do is go to file location where SSH keys are located. Uh, My SSH keys are located in this ssh.ssh folder in home dev location in WSL. Dev is basically username in WSL. So as you can see, I want to delete these two keys. You can just select these keys and delete. As you can see, keys deleted. So the second method is run this command on WSL or Linux terminal. So open your terminal, and in this first command we'll delete the private key of the SSH key, and the second command will delete the public key. So in here you need to add exact location to the SSH key in your WSL or Linux computer and paste like this and hit enter. And now if I go back to the you can see one key is deleted. We have this key here. So now if I run this command again, it's also gone. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. See you in the next video.